The correlation between vegetarian cuisine and climate change. As more people adopt vegetarian and plant-based diets, the demand for vegetarian ingredients has increased. However, many individuals still face challenges in finding vegetarian ingredients, particularly in certain regions or when dining out. In this article, we will explore the difficulties in finding vegetarian ingredients and some strategies for overcoming these challenges. One of the reasons why it can be difficult to find vegetarian ingredients is that many traditional recipes and cuisines are centered around meat-based ingredients. In many cultures, meat is considered a staple food and is used in a wide variety of dishes. This can make it challenging for individuals who are following a vegetarian or plant-based diet to find appropriate substitutes for meat-based ingredients. In addition, some vegetarian ingredients may be less widely available in certain regions or in certain seasons. For example, fresh produce may be more difficult to find in certain areas, or certain types of plant-based protein sources may not be as widely available in all regions. Another challenge in finding vegetarian ingredients is the labeling of food products. Many food products, particularly processed foods, may contain animal products or byproducts that are not always clearly labeled. This can make it difficult for individuals to determine whether a product is vegetarian or not, particularly if they are not familiar with all of the different types of animal-derived ingredients that may be used in food products. One way to overcome these challenges is to become familiar with vegetarian ingredients and substitutes. There are a wide variety of plant-based protein sources that can be used as substitutes for meat, such as tofu, tempeh, seitan, legumes, and certain types of grains. It is also important to be familiar with the different types of animal-derived ingredients that may be used in food products, such as gelatin, rennet, and certain types of food coloring. Another strategy for finding vegetarian ingredients is to explore different cuisines and recipes that are already vegetarian or can be easily adapted to be vegetarian. Many cuisines, such as Indian, Mediterranean, and Ethiopian, offer a wide variety of vegetarian dishes that are flavorful and satisfying. By exploring new cuisines and recipes, individuals can expand their knowledge of vegetarian ingredients and find new sources of inspiration for their meals. When dining out, it can be helpful to research restaurants and menus ahead of time to determine whether they offer vegetarian options. Many restaurants now offer vegetarian and vegan options, including plant-based protein sources like tofu and tempeh. It can also be helpful to communicate with the restaurant staff and ask them to make substitutions or modifications to dishes to make them vegetarian-friendly. Another strategy is to seek out local farmers markets and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. These sources can offer a wide variety of fresh, seasonal produce that may be difficult to find in grocery stores. By purchasing produce from local farmers, individuals can also support their local economy and promote sustainability. Finally, it can be helpful to connect with other individuals who are following a vegetarian or plant-based diet. Online communities, social media groups, and local meetups can offer support and resources for individuals who are struggling to find vegetarian ingredients. By connecting with others who share similar interests and dietary preferences, individuals can learn from each other and share tips and strategies for finding vegetarian ingredients and making delicious vegetarian meals. Overall, while it can be difficult to find vegetarian ingredients, there are many strategies for overcoming these challenges. By becoming familiar with vegetarian ingredients and substitutes, exploring different cuisines and recipes, communicating with restaurant staff, seeking out local farmers,